1. Demand scale. In 2024, the total new energy storage in the Middle East and Africa will be 2.8 gigawatt hours and will jump to 8.6 gigawatt hours in 2025, of which 84% will be large-scale storage. The Middle East alone will account for more than 6 gigawatt hours, an increase of nearly 3 times by 2026. Saudi Arabia's battery energy storage capacity is expected to reach 33.5 gigawatt hours, becoming the world's third largest single-country market after China and the United States. 2. Core driving force. National strategy. Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 proposes 130 gigawatts of renewable energy installed capacity in 2030 and 48 gigawatt hours of energy storage. The UAE's green hydrogen plus large storage strategy is being promoted simultaneously. Project PACE. Saudi Arabia has tendered 18.6 gigawatt hours of large storage in 2024. In 2025, there are still SEC 2, 3 SPPC, EWEC 19 gigawatt hours and other projects to be launched. Profit model. The local power grid is weak, and the peak valley price difference is small. The core income comes from the mandatory storage for new energy grid connection and the strategic investment of sovereign funds, rather than simple electricity price arbitrage. 3. Technical route and supply chain technology. Mainly 2 to 4 hours lithium iron phosphate plus liquid cooling PCM. Flagship projects such as Red Sea New City have 1.3 gigawatt hours single orders. Supply. Chinese companies such as Huawei and Sungrow have signed GWH level frameworks and inverter exports to Saudi Arabia. UAE will still maintain a gross profit of more than 30% in 2025. 4. Market characteristics. High customer concentration. 90% of demand comes from 7 to 8 sovereign funds. Grid companies. Quality assurance, corrosion resistance, and high temperature and humidity adaptability are entry barriers. Rapid price drop. The system unit price has dropped from 1.4 to 1.6 yuan, WH20.8 to 0.9 yuan, WH excluding tax. But the gross profit margin can still maintain 25 to 30%. Conclusion. The Middle East has entered the mass replication stage from demonstration projects, and will be one of the fastest growing offshore markets for large-scale storage in the world in the next 3 years.